What are the benefits or importance of communicating an inverter to a lithium battery or LiFePro4 battery? Hi guys, my name is Meriga Emmanuel and I am your favorite solar energy guy. I know you have been asking yourself this question since your installer carry out the installation without communicating your inverter to your battery. I'll be telling you a few benefits why it's very important to communicate your inverter to your lithium battery, and if your lithium battery with your inverter are not compatible, maybe they are different brands, then stay tuned, stay connected, because at the end of this video I'll be telling you what to do. One of the benefits of communicating your inverter to your battery is that there will be temperature compensation. Yes, because your inverter will know when to draw a certain amount of current and also know the amount of current to drain in order not for a battery to get affected, and it will also know the amount of energy or amount of power to release to your battery in case your inverter is a hybrid type. Second benefit of communicating your inverter to your battery is the wake up mode. Yes, because lithium batteries come with BMS, and at certain voltage or certain level, there are possibilities that your BMS will shut down. And if your inverter is not communicating with your battery, at times you have to go and do a manual wake up, system that will bring the battery up. But if your inverter is communicating, it knows when to shut down in order not for your battery to go into that level. And in case your battery is still shut down, your inverter knows how to wake it up in the morning when the sun comes up. These are some of the benefits of communicating your inverter to your lithium battery. And aside that, in case your lithium battery doesn't have screen, if you communicate your lithium battery to your inverter, all the information stored in the battery, the amount of voltage, the amount of current you are draining, and the temperature, the amount of power left in your battery will be displayed on the inverter screen. And for those that their inverter are not compatible with their battery, you would want to watch here. All you have to do is to follow the battery specification. What the manufacturer of the battery recommends, technical specification he gives out is what is the setting you should carry out on the inverter. For example, if the manufacturer say the float voltage or the absorb voltage of the battery is 57.6, you would want to go to your inverter and do that setting. And if you say the low voltage disconnect is 51.2 volts, don't forget to do that setting also, and you are good to go. Your lithium battery will not be overcharging and it will not be undercharging. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.